So hello and welcome to my channel, guys. This is a new channel that I've just started, and I'm going to review all the stuff from Kmart and Bunnings and all the stores from around Australia and plus AliExpress as well. So I've ordered a few things coming in from AliExpress, and once they are here I will be reviewing them as well. So today let's review this 10-inch tabletop selfie ring light from Kmart. So this was like $20 at Kmart, yeah, and it comes with three colors. If you can see, this is the bright color, the white color, and then there's a warm color. Once the light turns on, I'll show you that how it works. So let's open this up. There you go. Now what it comes with is, once you open the box, oh, there's too much plastic in there. So it comes with a manual, so that's just the empty box now. So it comes with a manual. If you want to read it, read it. If you don't, it's up to you. It's a really good manual though. Yeah, it shows you how to fix all the parts that you would not probably know about. Yep. And then there's this tripod looking thing. Yep, it is the tripod. Because this is a small table version that I've got. So it comes with a small tripod. Oh, wow, okay. It goes all the way down. Goes all the way down like this, so you can open as much as you want to. So it's not your, it can stand like this. No, it can't. So you have to put it all the way down like this. Then what else? It comes with this. This is probably where your phone will go if you want to put a phone on. Yep, that's for your phone. This thing is for your phone. Then there is this thing, which is probably this is the head of the whole thing. Once I set it up, I'll show you, because then I'll know what's happening. So this looks like it comes with like this, you know what tripods come with, this ball head where you can rotate it. Yep, there you go. So it comes with that. And what else is there? This is the Bluetooth remote it comes with if you want to connect it to Bluetooth somehow. So this is the Bluetooth remote it comes with. And I think this is another ball head. This is for the mobile one. Yep, I think this is for the mobile one. I'll have to, let's see if this goes. Oh no, it went through. So this is, I don't know, I'll check this first. I'll see how it works, and then I'll show you everything. And then once all this is there, we have the light itself. So that's the light itself. That's the light and all the wires and everything it comes with. That's the light itself now. Okay, so let me set this up. So guys, I figured out what it is. So I'll leave the Bluetooth thing up aside. What you have to do is just put in two batteries in there, two AAA batteries. They go in there, and then you have to connect it with your phone. So it's the same way you connect all your selfie sticks and stuff to your phone. You have to turn the Bluetooth on your phone, and then from there on it will show you something called selfie in your phone, and then you have to click on that thing and connect it with your phone. This is just a remote control, so I'm not going to do this. This is easy. Now I was right with this thing. What you have to do is, this is for your mobile phone. What you have to do is, this comes like this. So basically you just have to open this, and this thing, you hear that? It clicks in it. So you have to click it in there. Then you have to put this cap back on. So this is for your phone part. Now your phone will go in there if you want to put a phone in there, right? And then what you do is, this is your ring light. Can you see this hole over here? You just put this in this hole and you turn it around. There you go. And this thing bends, and this thing bends as well, so you can just like put it this way. See, it bends. You can just put it this way, or you can use it however you want to, but it's very, I don't know how to use this actually, because see what's happening is, can you see the distance between this thing and the light? Like, how are you going to fit your phone in there? That's a question. So probably this thing is made, the reason it's made to bend is because you turn it in a way and then you put your phone on it somehow, but you can't put it down straight because there's no space to put it, right? Okay, that happened. And then what you do with this one, like remember I said a ball head is there, it's for the tripod, and I was again right. So what you do is this one, this hole goes on the tripod. Can you see this thing on the tripod? The hole, this one goes on there, and this side goes in the light. So I'll do the light first because that's easier. Yep, that was easier. And now what you do is you put the whole thing, sorry it will cut out from the vision, but at least you can see what I'm doing here. So now you put the whole thing on top of that and you just twist it around. Now I've just tightened this up, but when you fix it, it will be loose like this. So it will just fall off. See, it's just falling off. So what you do is, see this screw? You just twist this and this will tighten up the whole thing. See? Now it's stable. Now the whole thing is stable. So even if I'm shaking it, it's not falling off. So now it's stable. Now this thing does not come with a plug that goes in your socket. It comes with a USB cable. It's a USB, right? And here is your remote control. This part is your remote control. Now I'll take you to my USB port where I will put this and test the light, and I'll show you how bright and dim the light is. So guys, as you can see, I have the light with me over here. Now what I have done is I have this power bank. What I'll do is I'll just connect it to the USB port over here. You have to connect it to the USB, this one, the old USB one, and I've just tested it. It was giving enough current to it to turn it on. So see, the light has come on this thing, if you can see it. Now when I turn the light on, let's see what it does to my face. I don't even know what it will do. Up now. Oh, whoa, whoa, that's good. That is good. So you can even use this, your power banks, if you have any power bank. You don't have to connect it to any USB which is in the wall or something. So let's bring it down a bit. Can you see the lights going down slowly? I don't know if you can notice it. Okay, let's change it. So this is warm. This is bright. This is white. So there are three. So on this thingy, if you can see it, you have three more options. See this thing, the refresh button is like the refresh button. If you press this, it will change the color. See, it's changing the color on my face. And this plus sign and minus sign is for bright or dim, how bright you want it. Whoa, that's good. And that's how dim you want it. So I've just taken it all the way down. Wow, see how low it is. I'll just face it directly here so you can see more. Now if I do plus, something happening. Yeah. Can you see the shadows? Just notice the shadow under the tripod. As when I'm pressing the plus button, it's going away. Slowly going away. Can you see it? Let's change the light. It's warmer color. It's a brighter color. Let's dim it. Let's see if the shadows come back. Notice the shadow under the tripod, how dark it gets. See how dark it is under the tripod now? Now, okay, let me change this a bit for you. So if I do this way, put it a bit, if I do it this way, let's put it like this. Goes all the way down like this. Wow, look at that. How about that? Okay, No, but it won't be stable then. See, now this is a problem, unless I have done something wrong. But see, the thing is falling off. It's falling over. That's enough to, let me remove this. Maybe this has a bit more weight to it. No, it's still falling over. See, if I leave it, it's falling over. Anyways, so let's do it this way. Let me show you. I don't want to bore you guys. Let me show the light quickly. You can literally see the LEDs inside turning on. That's the brightest. Up, that's the up. Yep, that's the brightest. Now change of colors. Yep, that's a different color. That's a different color. And that's off. So that's it, guys. That's all I wanted to show you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know if you want me to review something else. And please subscribe to my channel. And write questions in the comment below if you would like me to answer anything. Thanks, guys. Have a lovely day. Bye.